Indigents of Borno State, northeast Nigeria, are appealing to the federal government to intervene in the security situation in their state. The indigents, who thanks the campaigners demanding the release of the Chibok schoolgirls, say people in the area have continued to live in fear.
Our people are under constant threat. As I speak, as an apostate, our people have received threat. My hometown, Shafa. The Boko Haram people went themselves. They go in disguise. They keep a lot of them in the bush and send maybe 2 or 3. If you rush, they attack you. And they say they are coming within 1 week to attack if a certain amount of money is not gathered for them. The people are living under this constant fear at home. And we are meeting outside to see what we do. Of course, we can't contribute money for Boko Haram. But our people are all worried and concerned about this situation. So essentially, we want to thank you very much for identifying with our cause and keeping this alive. These are our children. Because the neighboring villages send children to this school. Remember the story of the bride that was abducted? It was from my village. A bride was abducted before her wedding. The night before her wedding. They killed the youth there. My father's cousin, Bategiwa, his own son was killed there. So we have living stories. I want to show our face here and here so that you know it's real and it's true. Our people are in pain at home. Thank you for your support.